Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. This is going to be a really short video, maybe 2 minutes, but I'm just going to give you a little update on the Beetle. If you didn't see the last video, I got a bus, Dream Bus 74 Westphalia. Go check it out. I'll have a link in the description to that. That's the project after this one. But I really want to get this one done before I start doing any major repairs on that one. So, been putting a lot of work into this one. 99% of the filler work is done. I still have a few spots here and there like this, and one on the other side in a similar spot from doing fender, the bolt repair, not the bolts, these things. These repairs, but doors are good. Got the Beetle pulled in a little too far to the left here because I was working on the outside. This door, I'll have to run my hand over it one more time, but it was pretty good. That quarter done. Did a little spot putty, red lead, which isn't what it's called anymore, but I still call it that because that's what people around me call it. Got that all done. I think, yeah, there's a little dent there. Gotta fix that. But other than that, all the filler is done. Gotta find 2 rear fenders. Not gonna be hard, it's a Volkswagen. I did discover though, that I believe not only are the front fenders on a 67 1 year only, but the rear fenders might also be 1 year only. Not in a very upfront way as front fenders with the upright headlights, but I believe E-Man might have to let me know, because he has a 65, and I think Jason has a 66, so he could check too maybe. But 66 has a stud, not bolts here. And 67 has bolts. 66 and earlier has a stud. And 67 has bolts, and 67 is the last year for the turn signals and overriders, which would make it a 1 year only rear fender, which is pretty cool. You can see one more bolt to repair. Not fixing this dent. Who cares about it? No one sees it. But I got a lot of filler done, and if you follow me on Instagram, these 2 carpet strips from Wolfsburg West. I really wish they would have primed them because I had to do some rust removal. Anyways though, I got the pan seal on, and this half is bolted down. Really excited. Got to get the correct ones back here. You can't really see, but I'm running a small bolt with like 4 washers, which isn't correct. Up here, gotta do a little something because that's also, I should probably test that in a few seconds when the video is done, because everything else is bolted up. But really excited. This is coming together really quick. I'm getting the primer this week at Napa. Hopefully, once it's all bolted down and I finish those couple spots, get it in primer. Where I worked, the body shop. Getting it painted there. I'm not painting it. Having a professional do it in a professional booth professionally. Really awesome. Really excited about that. But that's the end of the video. It's a little longer than I thought it would be. 4 minutes. Not too bad. But just a little update. So, still moving on. Still getting this Beetle done. So, I'll see you in the next video.